Hey guys, I'm super excited today about this video. So this video is about unboxing of my DT kit from CrafTangles and HNDMD. I really want to share it with you guys when I'm doing it. So yeah, let's see what I have got from them. I'm so excited. I have no idea what's inside this box. So yeah, I'm equally excited. Awesome packing. I have very delicate fingers and hands. So this is the first time after I have been chosen as a DT for them. This is my first kit, so I am really excited. Yay! There we are. Okay, can you guys see? Okay, don't worry, I'll be showing you each and every product. So let's keep these aside. Wow, can you see this? It's lovely. Okay, so let's take one by one. Okay, so I have like a good amount of chalk paints from them. Beautiful colors. These are really lovely. This is a bubblegum pink chalk paint. Oh, I love this color. It looks like teal, botanical teal. Then we have cheeky coral. Beautiful colors, guys. These chalk paints are really nice. I love chalk paints. Their texture. Oh, this is a pretty color. Radiant orchid. Then we have moss green. Tomato red. Wow. Oh, this is a nice color too. Aquamarine. It's more a greenish color, not a blue. Pale daffodil, yellowish tinge color. And midnight dreams, the essential black. I'll show you guys everything again. Let me just cool jade. Oh, this is jade. Oh, it's just slightly lighter than the teal color. And the white. Oh no, sorry, that's not the white. Okay, yeah. This is the CrafTangles decoupage glue and CrafTangles decoupage varnish, and oh, my favorite, it's liquid glaze from CrafTangles. This gives awesome effects on all your projects. We will be doing some projects with all these. And here we have an acrylic soft gel. It's a soft gel gloss medium that can be okay. We have a mixed media essential. This is an antique paste. Wow. Yeah, what color? Okay, it's an antique color. It's wax, I think. Yes, it's a mixed media wax. It's an antique wax. And we have some tea coasters, the thin ones and the thick ones. We have some coasters here. And oh, lovely cute MDF tray and MDF coasters. Okay, I'm so loving this. There are so many things here. One second. Okay, then we have this. Oh, this is a chalky paint as well as French rose. Wow. Yay. And our white, snow white chalky paint matte. Okay. And then coming to the decoupage glue. Oh wow, a pretty decoupage napkin here. It's so pretty. Okay, and we have some decoupage papers here. This is the Everyday Places 2 designer decoupage paper, A4 size. There are 4 designs in this. Should we open it? Yes, let's open this. Okay, oh wow, okay, we have like, this is a set of different places. So beautiful. Cherry blossom. It's like the Bangkok canal. Beautiful. And let me show you guys everything again. And yeah, some more. These are botanical. And we have here gentleman. Some. Okay, these are again decoupage designs. Very vintage male. Vintage journals, yeah. And oh wow, these are like watercolor decoupage papers, very pretty. I'll show you all these once I just take them out. Okay, this is vintage ladies again. Yeah, we have some winter wonderland. Wow, that's a good collection of decoupage papers from HNDMD and CrafTangles. This is Glory Days. Okay, it's a little vintage plus like a sports theme, like a newspaper thing. This is floral, and this is again Everyday Places. And then we have Winter Wonderland. These are bigger sizes. It's a 12-inch by 12-inch decoupage paper. Super Eternal Love. Okay, that's it. So let me just show you guys everything again. I'll move this carton away. Okay, so we have all our chalk paints here. CrafTangles, beautiful colors of chalk paints. Okay, we have pretty much all the shades. Then we have these wax, antique wax, soft gel, and decoupage glue, decoupage varnish, and liquid glaze. And these are the these are the decoupage papers. And we have whole lot of decoupage papers. I'm just trying to show everything in one frame, so I guess. So we have all these beautiful decoupage papers from them. vintage floral winter theme, vintage ladies, watercolor, spring. I really want to open this for you guys. It's beautiful. So I will be making a lot of videos with all these materials, so do stay tuned. Oh wow, look at this, it's so beautiful. Oh, I just love this botanical. This is very, very, very pretty. Wish I was so beautiful. That was our watercolor spring. It's really nice. And yeah, we have so many more vintage journals, and this is gentleman design. We have some botanicals, and I showed you this is also places, and our big twelve inch by 12 inch decoupage papers, and then a cute little tray and some MDF coasters. Yeah, I'm so excited to use all these things in my upcoming projects. Thank you so much, CrafTangles and HNDMD. Thank you for this lovely kit. I am in love with every product here, and I can't wait to use them. Thank you so much. See you soon, guys. Bye.